Okay, I put the guitar away and I found a transformer. This one is a bit bigger than what I saw on Stuart McDonald on cleaning guitar parts with electrolysis. So this is what I'm going to do. So my transformer is a little bigger. I don't know if you can see this somehow. Okay, let's try that. Okay, anyway, this is a DC transformer. I've got 12 volts. He says you can go from 6 to 24 volts. And I've got 24 watts at the input and 1.2 amps at the output. He says something about 2 amps, but the one that he showed on his video is nowhere near 2 amps on the output. I think it was 300 watts, or I don't remember. Anyhow, so, and this is a lot bigger than what he has in size. So first thing got to do, I'm going to plug it in. I got my leads already connected. My thing is already set at DC. My tester. And I'm just going to put the power on to identify the positive and the negative. So here we are. I have 15 volts. And there's no minus in front, so this is positive. So now I know that my positive, the red, goes with this wire here. So I will be putting some red tape on this wire, so I'll know for always. So that's it. And I got the stuff ready. I even found a hammer that I could use. So that should work out. And I'll be putting these parts in. I'll try to attach this as well on it. And I gotta remove the keys, so I'll be doing this in a few steps. Okay, so I moved everything to another space in my very small garage area. So everything is basically covered here. So you can see it. I only add green wire to have stranded wiring. So I got it really tight around the hammer here. And the rest is right there on the bridge. So ready to hook it up. So here we go. And it's started already. Now look at that. Ain't that nice? Look at that. How can I get you closer? And as I said, my transformer is stronger than what he has. I mean, we got action here. A lot of action. This is great. It's not going to take too long. I'll take that out of there in less than an hour. So yeah, leave that there. Raising the camera here. There. Okay, so this is about 10 minutes later. I just came back to see something, and look at that. 10 minutes later and we got dark stuff. Look at that. So I'm not going to let it there for 2 hours. This is going to be half an hour and that'll be that. I got the keys off the guitar, so they're going to go both at the same time. So I'm going to prepare another wire to make it so I can attach both of them. Okay, back just briefly. Yeah, there's a lot of dark matter in there, and I decided that I wanted to check the transformer and see if it was getting hot or not. Well, I can hold it. It's mostly a little warm here at the end, and this part is all nice and cold. So if this were to be a lot hotter than this, I'd be concerned for the life of the transformer itself. But this is really acceptable. There's nothing bad with this. It's good. It's just a bit warmer, should I say. But it's fine. Yeah, I'll be taking it out. So let's unplug this. It's been 20 minutes, by the way. So let's unplug this. right now. It seems to be doing the job pretty well. How am I going to bring this? Okay, I'm just going to bring everything near the sink and then take care of it over there. Okay, so be right back. Well, actually, I didn't go anywhere yet. I wanted to show you this before I take it out. So, look at that. This is basically what it's going to look like. Too bad I don't have clean water here. Yeah, see inside here it's a lot cleaner because I saw it before. And this one, this was the E string, the low E string. It kept falling out. So it's at the bottom one in there. Yeah, that's pretty good in there. Oh yes, very satisfied. Okay, so we're in my sink here, and just about to finish emptying this, and I thought I'd show you what it all looked like when I took it out. Well, that's basically it. What we see, the black dust kind of, that's the salt that turned black, and other elements, but it's mostly salt. And here's my piece that fell out midway through. So yeah, small brush, just for fun. Maybe that's not enough. Yeah, it is enough. It's coming off. Okay, so that will come off. It is off, so that's not a problem, eh? Yeah, overall this is pretty good. Okay, let's pull this out of there. See, there wasn't all that much in there. Just made a double here. So that's it. Yeah, nice and shiny.